You, hey, you. Yeah, I bet that at least one of the case that I will be listing right now in my video you had or have in your class before exams. So let's begin. So the number one is the topper. Everyone hates this kid because like this is the one kid who actually goes actually when that teacher forgets to give us homework. No. Like, bro, calm down, let us mere mortals chill. Bro, we don't want to do any homework. We already studied 5 goddamn hours in our goddamn college. Now we wanna go home and chill. We don't wanna open our workbooks and write 10 pages of assignment. No one loves it, but this kid does. Now, you might be wondering that, hey, maybe I'm a bit too harsh. I am a bit too harsh, yeah, I know that. Let's go to the second breed. Now, this breed of students for exams is completely different from the first one. You know why? Because this breed is called backbenchers. Now, legends have it that these are real humans. These are just aliens who came to Earth in the form of humans to destroy teachers. Like, they can make any animal noises you can ever think of. Dolphin noise? Ask a backbencher. You want to hear a gorilla noise? Ask a backbencher. You want to hear how the bloop sounds like. The big creature, put it up for reference. They can sound like it. They can make noises like it. They can imitate any animal on the goddamn planet. They can even imitate dinosaurs. And like whenever a teacher is studying us, teaching us important concepts, they do not care. But when actually I'm sick. But when exams are near and then the teacher is telling us about some important question, the teacher says it are very important, they might come to the paper. The backbenchers get the hell up, go to the teacher and beg. They're like, please give us, I don't know, like top secret question so we can pass. Like, even the whole class and even the teacher are amazed, bro. Really? You want to study? No, you are not even criticizing him. You're actually feeling kind of good. You're like, bro, finally he's studying after all this goddamn months. So now let's go to the third breed now. This breed is called the cheaters. And these cheaters are really good at cheating. Like whenever we start a conversation with him or her, whenever we talk to that person sounds like a man on a mission. Man, they were playing Fortnite in their homes, living in school, and they still end up passing the exam with relatively good marks, Really sorry, I am sick right now. So, and they still end up passing with good marks, hey, good marks. And you just sitting there wondering, bro, I studied 10 damn hours and I studied 10 hours and even then I got like average marks, but this damn person got better marks than me. You're just wondering this, should I be picked the wrong side? Like, should I stop working hard? Like, not only that, this person, when you ask this person, did you ever got caught while cheating? The person says, hell no. They are that experienced in cheating. Like, if you have a friend if you have a friend who is a good cheater, you are blessed, my man. You are blessed. So these are 3 types of kids before exams. Let's start with the fourth one. Now this person brings phone with him everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. And what does he play? PUBG. I'm not saying go to not play PUBG, but when it's time for class and teacher is explaining concepts, then listen carefully, man. But because these kids do not listen carefully, they're busy playing Fortnite or PUBG or whatever in their mobile, they miss the lecture. But when it comes to exams, they somehow hide their phones and God knows where. Because they then bring on their phone, cheat from it. You might be wondering how. Well, these kids install full PDFs, full on PDFs on their God and mobile so they can cheat. Like full on PDF on their mobile so they can cheat. Bro, you can at least go and study at home, Like full on cheating in bro. Now the number 5th one. this person did something in the toilet, which is why whenever the exams start, this kid always makes lame excuses to go to the bathroom. Because this kid either hid some cheat in the toilet or in the toilet. Oh, sorry. You get a point in the somewhere in the bathroom. God knows where in the bathroom. And even a teacher knows it. When the kid sounds so suspicious. Like the kid's like, Miss or sir, can I please go to the toilet? Miss is like, no. Then the person makes the most lamest excuse known to mankind. It's an emergency. But somehow the trial and error, the teacher does allow this kid to go to the bathroom. But when that kid goes to the bathroom, majority of the time, that cheat was discovered by another student. So this kid ends up failing. Let me tell you about another person. It is a bonus one. Okay, don't judge me. It is known as the childish girl. You got a point. She got a donut from canteen and she would answer like, yeah, I got donut. I was like, bro, you don't have donut in your god in entire god. I'm like, of course I then got suspended after that, you know. But hey, she was acting like this was her last donut on the face of the planet Earth. And I laughed. Okay, her dance was really funny, I don't know. And I asked, like I said, did you never have donut in your life? She complained to the teacher and I was suspended. Hey, I know it's a bit harsh from me, but like still dancing over a damn donut. No teacher scolds her for being this damn childish. And other students are fine by it. Maybe I'm being too harsh, like I said, but this is annoying. To be this damn childhood in a college. So these were the 6 weeks. One was a bonus, the 6th one, the childish girl. So if you like my content, do like and subscribe and tell me in the comment section. Are you guys, I don't know, students, do you go to college or are you finished with colleges, and do share your experience with me in the comment section. So have a good day and like and subscribe to my channel. Take care.